I don't have to worry about my inverter, is because it's only hooked to one TV. So I don't have to, I just have to remember to turn it off when I'm done watching TV. So that's the only thing that my inverter is even hooked to. So I don't have to worry about that. And if you don't have an inverter, you don't have to worry about that one either. As far as checking the battery, you really do need to actually unscrew the little caps or pop the cap off if it covers three cells at a time, and actually get a flashlight and actually look down in there and see what the level of your battery is. Do not assume that the service guy checked it. It's up to you to really look in there and check and see. If it needs water, distilled water is the only thing that you want to put in there. This goes for your engine if you have an RV, and for your coach batteries, RV or trailer or fifth wheel. And once again, you need to really look in there and check and make sure that the levels are okay. As Jan mentioned, the solar lights are great. I put mine out in the daytime so that they get charged up, and then I bring them in inside. Harbor Freight is a great source to buy solar lights at the last minute. They sell a string of lights, which work very nice on the dash. And also the smaller lights also work well up on the dash because it's one of the areas that seems to be dark at night, and you may want to have those there just in case you need them. I'm just looking over my list here real quick just to make sure. If your RV has any kind of a battery monitoring system, it would be good for you to just push the button and just check and see how your batteries are doing. You can also do this off of your solar if you have solar on your roof. And you can also have a handheld tester that will go into a 12-volt plug that will see how your batteries are doing. I do have one of those that plugs in, so if somebody needs to check their batteries real quick, then just get a hold of me and I can give you my tester so you can plug it in real quick. And again, when you're checking the battery, you want to make sure that there's none of that nasty stuff on there, that all the connections are clean, that you don't need to use things like a wire brush or pour a bottle of Coke, can of Coke over there to bubble off the excess stuff. The carbonation works great to bubble this off.